If you didn't upload your exam file when you completed the proctoring agreement, you can do so on the Upcoming Exams tab. Click the checkbox next to the exam appointment you're uploading a file for. You can click the checkbox next to multiple appointments to upload the same file for several students, and you can upload multiple files for each. Click the down arrow in the yellow Upcoming Exam File Upload box. Type the title of the exam as well as any special instructions, like if you'd like it printed double-sided. Upload the file. If you need to correct or change a file after you've uploaded it, you can upload an additional file or delete the previous file and replace it with a new version here before the exam begins. Please email testing@northwestern.edu if you need to make updates to your exam while a student is testing. If you selected Testing Services staff uploads completed exams to the ANU faculty portal on your course's proctoring agreement, you'll need to download your students' exams after their appointment is complete. At the top of the alternative testing page, click Completed Files to find your students' completed exams. Finished exams will be available by the end of the day they're taken, and you'll receive an email when they're ready for download.